Hello, I'm Marina Karlova from karlovadesign.com, and here is a new pattern, which is a little basket that you can use for carrying stuff around or just for storage. So you will need two contrasting pieces of leather. You can play with the color combinations. I'm pretty sure you will come up with something interesting. And the important thing is that the inner layer or the lining should be stiff and thick because this is the structure of the whole thing. The outer layer can be, or it should be, something more like lightweight, thinner, so it doesn't make the lining wrinkle. I took two leathers at the same weight, and it's wrinkling a little bit here and there, so don't do what I do what I say. Also, if you're lazy or you want to save time on this project, you can just take one piece of thick leather, like 9-8 ounce, and burnish the flash side, and then skip this whole part of stitching, just stitch the sides and the bottom. So this will take like half the time and will still work well, I guess. So let's proceed. Start assembling with those two big parts. You're gonna align them flesh to flesh and then stitch the two long stitching lines on the sides, which is gonna be top sides and the handle. Next, let's do the two notches on each side. You can use any stitching style you want. I use parallel stitches, so stitch these together. Now do the same on the other side. Now it's time to stitch the sides together, so take each side and stitch them with the same kind of stitch you did the notches. complete the same task on the other side. Make sure you tighten all the seams really well so they stay really nice looking. Now take the bottom part and the bottom rim and stitch them together. Keep in mind that the bottom should be looking up with the grain side, so aligning them properly. It should be, you see, I'm aligning the grain side of the rim to the flesh side of the bottom. And this way you stitch the rim all the way around to the bottom. Now, because the edge of the bottom will be visible on the inside, make sure it looks nice, so it might require some sanding and burnishing and whatever technique you might want to use there. Also take care of the rest of the edges. I sand and burnish. You might want to use the edge paint. I don't like the edge paint personally, because when it peels off it's gonna look disgusting. So yeah, take care of these edges. Okay, time to stitch the bottom in. So this is how it should be aligned, the nice side up, and you stitch the rim to the edges of the basket. And that's pretty much it. After you finish stitching the bottom, the basket is ready. I hope you enjoyed the project.